Good day, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Learning the English Language with me, Vinod. Today, I'm going to give you a deeper insight about the speaking department in IELTS. Many people think that if you do well in your cue card round, that is the part 2 round, you can really get a good score in the speaking department of IELTS. It is right to an extent. I will not deny that. But the part 3 is the deciding factor. Yes, you heard me right. The part 3 department in IELTS is the deciding factor. Now, how to approach the part 3 department in IELTS? Shall we take a deeper look? Here we go. Now, the first rule when it comes to part 3, try to avoid the vocabularies from the question. I repeat, try to avoid the vocabularies from the question in part 3. Try to paraphrase it. For example, let me give you a question. Do you think that the quality of the food depend upon its cost? I repeat, do you think the quality of the food depend upon its cost? Generally, I am a food lover. I enjoy exploring different cuisines across the world. However, I don't agree to the point that the pricing of the food dictates its efficacy and its ability to satisfy the customer. Got it? Now, the second question. Do you think that extroverts have more advantages than introverts? I repeat, do you think that extroverts have more advantages than introverts? A person who's expressive towards people will socialize with them easily, and that is a great advantage to make new friends. Therefore, it is a great advantage for a person who can adapt and improvise according to the situation with the communication skill. Understood? Now, the final question that I want to say. Do you think that avoiding crowded places is a good idea? It depends upon the situation. During a pandemic crisis, it is wise to stay isolated in your homes. However, during your normal routine life, you can mingle with the crowd once in a while to relax and enjoy the atmosphere. I hope the simple technique helps you to enhance your skills in the speaking department in IELTS. This is the crucial element to get a 0.5 or even a 1 extra band in your speaking department. I repeat, part 3 department in IELTS is equally important to part 2 department in IELTS when it comes to speaking. And in part 3, trying to avoid the vocabularies from the question and trying to paraphrase those vocabularies in your answer will definitely at least give you a 0.5 extra, and if you do it carefully, even a 1 extra band in your final speaking IELTS score. I hope this really helps you in achieving your abroad goals. Once again guys, stay safe and stay healthy.